Tonight your bedtime story is called The Night Knight, and it's about a knight who's telling us about jousting. Jousting was a medieval sport that was played by knights. They would dress in steel armor from head to toe to protect their bodies. The armor was called a harness of armor, and it fit snug as a glove. The very talented blacksmith formed the armor, the metal, and shaped it to fit each knight carefully. The knight would wear its full armor, and the knight's partner, the horse, would also wear a full body of armor to protect it. The horse was the knight's partner during the jousting competition. It was called a medieval destrier. They were bred for being strong, for being loyal, and for being brave. Horsemanship is when the teamwork between the knight and his animal. They must work together and become one during a jousting tournament. To win the competition, one must have speed and posture. The horses could run up to 30 miles an hour during the jousting competition. In order to win, one knight would take a long lance. A jousting lance, is a long stick with a spear at the end of it. And they would hold it under their arm, and the horses run at each other down a long strip. And then they try to knock each other off of their horses to win. If one person broke their stick, they would receive some points. But to win, you had to knock your opponent off of their horse. The Knights Marshal and the Line Marshal were the judges of the competition. They would tell where the strike hit the body, and they would decide how many points to give each knight during the competition. It was an honor to be a knight because the knights were brave, and they were basically like celebrities. Even a war would stop. They would stop a war to come and watch a jousting tournament because that is how important it was for their entertainment. The jousters, the knights, would have to be very strong both physically with their muscles and mentally with their mind. That's what makes you a winner. A strong mind and a great heart. So now we have a couple trivia questions about jousting. For the kindergarten and first and second graders, who was the knight's partner during a jousting tournament? And for the third and fourth graders, what was the person called who formed the steel armor?